guys, welcome back. We are headed down.
Welcome back to Only in America.
We are headed down to the church to.
Welcome to America. We're going down to the church.
Yes, and we're going to put some Luminary bags together.
What's that?
Okay.
What's that?
I'll show you when we get there.
Okay.
But you take and put these things out. We're going to do it for the Christmas Eve service.
Ooh.
There goes Grandma. She's going to go behind us.
Oh,
Right there.
no.
So we'll go down and put these together. It shouldn't take too
Hello,
long.
Granny. It's so Granny. Granny man. Granny. I say Granny Manny, not Granny. And I somehow found this pen. That's Grandma Granny.
It is.
Granny.
So it takes a couple hours to get down here to the church. We'll probably have to spend the night on the way.
To church.
Yeah, it's a long ways.
I'm in State's cars from my house. It's a long way.
Yeah.
The church, me and Stanley and Papa are going to church. Like, that's funny. Like, yeah, so church is about 1 hour, but we're not going to church in these clothes. Which church is already over, so we have to go back to church and do something.
Gotta do some work now, don't we?
Yeah, and I think this is part of the reason.
Oh yeah, what is that? No, that's the garland. Look, those bells. I hear the bells ringing back there too. Sleigh bells ringing. Are you listening?
Are we gonna put this on a tree?
I don't know what tree that goes on, to be honest.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride one open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle.
Okay, so that was quite a journey. We have arrived. That took what?
Woo!
2-3 minutes. So, all right, here we go. We'll see you on the inside. It's running. Okay. All right, guys, unbuckle.
Okay.
Leave that. Just leave those things. We don't need those.
Get 'em.
Can you get out? You getting out on that side?
Yeah.
All right, Papa will come around and get you. All right, let's go around and get our helpers out of the car.
Hold on, Madison. Come here. Here, hold that.
I got the coat.
Come here, Madison. Come here. No. Come here. No. Let Papa get you.
Come on.
Okay.
Get your Umpa Lumpa over here. Nice job. All right. Papa's got a key.
Are you allowed to be in here
Yep.
with no permission?
I don't need. I have permission. I'm the permissioner.
Hey. Hey.
Okay, we are inside. Okay, so we're down here in the fellowship hall. I've got my carts ready. Right there. Once we put the luminaries together, we'll put them on there. But we've got 2 bags of sand. Right there. The bags are on their way. We'll open the bags up. I'll show you that. Put some sand in them. Put a candle right here. Put 1 candle in each one and set them over on the cart. So we got to make 100 of these.
Yeah,
Should be
but
awesome.
Except we don't have enough candles.
Oh yeah, we have enough. It's all good. Okay, so we've got our system going here. We've got sand going into
And here
each
is
bag
the real thing that we're
with,
supposed to be doing.
with that.
Here's what we're supposed to be doing.
Putting a candle down in each one. Like that. And put them over on the cart. Yeah. grab another pack of candles, Madison. Grab another pack of candles and bring them to Papa. I'll help you.
Right.
Well, I think I put some sand in it. Pretty good at that. So we have got the luminaries put together. Right there, we've got 100, actually 101. Okay, and that put the sand in them. There's what we have. Says there was 100 in there. These are the candles that we were using. Just a little guy like that. Stand this wick up, so when you reach down in there with the striker to light it, they light real easy. It took one 50-pound bag of sand to do 100 luminaries. So if you need some rough idea of what you need, so you got 100 bags, 100 of these little tea candles, one 50-pound bag of sand, one styrofoam cup. Takes about a half of one of these cups per bag, okay, to hold those down. So we're going to put those out on Christmas Eve. As you can see, they are en route through the church now as we speak. We'll make our way somewhere into the elevator, get them upstairs, have them sitting there for the Christmas Eve service.
Guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you had fun. So we have our cart right here. And yeah, so that's the end of the video. See you next time.
Merry Christmas.
Bye.